Are you thinking about buying your first house, but you only rented? So simply hearing the word mortgage makes you feel a little anxious. The best way to assuage that anxiety is by working with a mortgage lender who has your best interest at heart. Sure, you could work with any mortgage lender. However, I have personally experienced why it's important to work with one who cares about you and sees you as more than a dollar sign. When buying my first house, I didn't have a true connection with my mortgage lender, and he made me feel like I was just another transaction for him. While our first conversation was good, all of the conversations to follow felt rushed. He didn't take his time to really explain the process to me or exactly what was going on during each step of it. I had to do a lot of my own legwork and research to understand the process because he was focused on just getting me to sign, sign, sign. Not only did I feel like I was just another transaction to him, but I also felt like I had to find a way to quickly understand the mortgage process so I could guard myself against him as well in case he wasn't working in my best interests. This is a part of what drove me to become a loan originator. Not only did I want to help people understand the mortgage process, but I also wanted to be available to help with any questions or concerns throughout the entire real estate transactions. I wanted to become the mortgage lender I desperately wished I had during my first home purchase. I've been where you are. I stood in the exact same shoes you're currently standing in, except I have the benefit of hindsight and experience. While I can tell you from my horror stories, I can also tell you my winning stories that occurred because I went through the horror stories. I want to help you avoid experiencing all those negatives of working with a mortgage lender who doesn't have your best interest at heart. Have you ever had a bad real estate experience? I'd love to hear from you in the comments below.